Welcome to my comprehensive review of Nifty's, one of the most exciting NFT marketplaces out there today. If you're new to NFTs or just curious about the platform, this video will walk you through everything you need to know. Nifty's is an innovative space where digital art, collectibles, and exclusive collaborations come to life. With a sleek, user-friendly interface, it's easy to dive into the world of NFTs and start collecting. Nifty's provides a unique space for brands, artists, and creators to showcase limited edition digital assets, giving collectors access to rare items. Whether you're looking to buy or sell NFTs, Nifty's makes the process seamless, with tools that allow for easy browsing, bidding, and transaction history tracking. The homepage gives you an overview of the latest collections and drops, as well as trending NFTs. You can explore various categories like art, music, sports, and gaming, ensuring there's something for everyone. Every collection on Nifty's is curated, which means that you can trust the quality and authenticity of the items listed. The marketplace is also integrated with blockchain technology, ensuring that all transactions are secure and transparent. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Back to Nifty's. One of the standout features of the platform is its drops. These exclusive, time-limited events feature new NFT collections that you can only purchase within a specific window. The rarity and demand for these items can create a sense of urgency, making them highly sought after by collectors. Another notable feature is the ability to connect your wallet seamlessly. Whether you use MetaMask or another crypto wallet, linking your account to Nifty's is quick and easy. This allows you to manage your NFTs securely and track your collection over time. If you're looking for an engaging, dynamic, and secure NFT marketplace, Nifty's delivers a premium experience. It's perfect for both beginners and seasoned collectors. The platform's extensive list of featured artists and creators gives it an edge over other marketplaces, as you'll find some of the most talented people in the NFT space here. From high-quality artwork to functional and interactive NFTs, Nifty's is a hub for innovation. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a like if you enjoyed the review.